Hi, my name is Anders Brownworth. I work for Imagine Media. I write for Maximum Linux magazine. I wanted to show you some of the interesting projects that I've come up with in my free time. So one of the things that I've got here is a car MP3 player, which I've been hacking on for about a year now. I'd like to take a look at some of the hardware that I've put together for this. This is a 1U case containing a 133 megahertz Pentium and some RAM. It's got a sound card, little Sound Blaster compatible sound card, and a hard drive, about 20 gigs on this one, although you could go with whatever you want. An interesting piece about this, it's got a 12-volt DC to DC converter for power, so I can use this thing in the car. My idea was I'm going to make an MP3 player for the car. Might as well be running Linux on that, and if you're doing that, you might as well be running a database such as MySQL. So essentially I have a car MP3 player with a database backend that can remember preference information and that sort of stuff. I'm going to show you the back of this thing because there are some curious pieces here. That's the 12-volt input, and then a little bit over we've got the serial and parallel inputs and some sound and the actual motherboard itself with its standard video and whatnot. One of the ideas of this thing is, of course, to stick a wireless card in here and have the MP3 player be able to update and sync with another computer via wireless interface. And that, to this point, has not been completely filled out yet, but that's where we are. I have this machine running on I have this program running on another machine, and we're going to turn to the computer right here and check this out, see how it works. Essentially, I'm going to start the program, which I call Route 66, and you will see over on this little display here that my system logs in and gives you a pretty simple menu. The idea is this system would be sitting up in the front of your car somewhere. Obviously, you're going to have some kind of more elegant display than my little keypad here, but essentially I've got 4 keys, up, down, right, and left. Everything is extremely simple because of that. I'm going to go into the select menu right now, and this little listing here allows me to select music by genre or by artist or by album or whatever. I'm going to go into artist here, and we'll look at a couple of artists that we have, and just for an example, I'm going to select 10,000 Maniacs here up at the top and go back one more, and then go down to the play menu, and we'll go in there, and then we should hopefully get a playlist going, and the latest from 10,000 Maniacs is going to start playing. So essentially that's what you have going in your car. So that's my Linux-based car MP3 player. Be sure to catch us next week at Comdex, where we'll have more exciting content just like this.